Mount Tapyas is a mountain located in Coron. The name Tapyas derives from the Filipino term meaning cut. To reach the summit, you can climb a staircase with approximately 700 steps. Next stop, the Maquinit Hotspring. The dusty road of the hot spring can be tough, but it gets rewarding once you have reached the spot. Maquinit Hot Springs is one of the only few saltwater hot springs in the world. Here, mangrove trees surround the area. The pool temperature places between 37 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius. Day 2 begins with a visit to Barracuda Lake, a captivating natural wonder.
Ganda! Galing!
Here at Kayangan Lake, we need to climb a steep staircase consisting of approximately 300 steps. Once you reach the top, you can take pictures with a breathtaking view of Coron. Twin Lagoon is a stunning place to kayak. We paddle our way through crystal clear waters to reach the enchanting dual paradise. Our adventure continues as we explore the enchanting world of Balinsasayaw Reef and Coral Garden, where you can see vibrant nemos and majestic giant clams. Down to our last stop, Sunset Cove. And that concludes our Coron Super Ultimate Tour, another eventful day of adventures. unfavorable weather conditions, we decided to spend our third day in Coron, relaxing at the hotel and exploring the town. At Island Boy Grill, you can choose your desired seafood hand-picked from a variety of options. Following our satisfying lunch at Island Boy Grill, we decided to take a leisurely stroll along Coron Bay Walk. After enjoying the beauty of Coron Bay Walk, we visit the San Agustin Parish Church for a moment of prayer and reflection. Then we make a quick stop at Mel's Cashew Factory to buy some delicious pasalubong. On day 4 of our adventure, we embark on an exciting tour to Calauit Safari. After a scenic land journey of about an hour, we reach the shores where a boat awaits us, ready for a 15-minute ride to Calauit Island. Excitedly, we hand-feed giraffes, offering fresh leaves with anticipation and wonder. Due to bad weather, our plans to visit Black Island had to be cancelled. However, we were fortunate to discover the captivating beauty of Debotunay Island. Our journey from Salvacion to Debotunay Island was an exhilarating 40-minute boat ride. Filled with moments of excitement and adventure.